Hi guys, I bought these shoes a couple of months ago and I kept it on a shelf, so I, I hadn't used it for a long time and all the guarantee expired. So when I started to use, of course the popping sound comes up and I couldn't take it back. So I called up a professional shoe repair guy, and he said the popping sound caused by air between the sole and the upper material. So it's really easy to fix. You need to take out this of the shoes, and the problem is caused by the air between this white material and the sole. And this is a good one. That made this popping sound. So if you take the shoes and bend it, bend it like this, you are going to notice that this white material comes up in the middle in this part of the shoes. So Nike made this material, this white material, of this not stretchy material, and it's absolutely not breathable, so the air can't get through on it. So if the gluing is bad, then the air can't get out, and you make a lot of pressure when you take a step, and that makes that noise. So what you have to do is take a knife sharp with a new blade and bend the shoes like this. So in this case, this white material comes up, and take a knife and make a cut about this long and cross like this long. So make a cross. If you bend it like that, the white material comes up and you won't cut the sole. And in this case, this air can get out, and that's it. It is not going to make that sound. I can show you on the other one. I made that. Maybe you can't see that, but there's a cut like that. That's it. This is the solution. Have a nice day. Hajrá magyarok!